Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. How are you guys doing? Hope everyone is good. Please guys, I just want you guys to check out those latest hairstyles for black women. This hairstyle is letting you know that age is just a number and your hairstyle is just a statement. So we have this beautiful short natural hairstyle that will keep your look so fresh and looking so fabulous. Those styles today are one of the most significant short natural hairstyle trends for 2026, and is a haircut that will really complement your hair texture and density. It's a new year, and it's all about owning what makes you different. And one thing about the site today is that it's all about the movement, and it's a style for women that really want to embrace their gray, because this haircut provides that sleek, sophisticated frame for your face. I love this beautiful style because if you're really tired of your dull or mono shade color, this styles will help to spice things up for you. And it's that style that if you have that short curly hair, you can opt for this style because it adds volumes in a controlled manner. You can see how the different layers really shows off that varieties of hues and form that beautiful shape of the cut. So this is a great style for beautiful women that really want to give that ease of maintenance for their thick hair and really want that volume booster for their thin hair, because it's a style that will really take many years off your age and make your hair so nice and smooth. So if you're really looking for style that will take many years off your age, I want you guys to please watch this video to the end, because it's a style that's perfect for women that want a low maintenance style, because it will really cut down on the frequent need for touch up. Let me just let you guys please savor the rest of the styles we have. I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.